My name is Roman. I'm 30 years old. I'm originally from Russia. I've been to Shenzhen for 5 years, and I just realized Shenzhen probably is the best city for me. I have my primary business, which is an educational company, and also we have Oops, a wellness center, social club for people. I do things I like. That's why my hobby is my job technically, so I enjoy what I do. Here we have a concept of uniting people through doing some activities together, either sport activities, dancing, outdoor, other social activities. So it's like a place where we want to merge two cultures together with the help of our coaches, staff, and also creating this kind of community around our place. So people can just come and enjoy their time here.
Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm 11 years old. I do Chinese dancing at Oops, and I really like this club and I enjoy dancing as well.
In Nanshan Service Center, people, especially foreigners, can get vast number of services. When it opened, I just saw the news that the Chinese government is opening like a service center for expats. So they want to kind of provide expats more cultural, more legal aid, and also kind of have like a common place for them to be and to develop, to grow, to help the community. So I decided to also join them and help like as much as I can. Last time I helped them with summer camp because they got a bunch of kids, and since I have some background in education, I introduced them some activities they can do with kids. The life in Shenzhen is great. It's very fast paced. It's growing very fast. It's tremendous, and I love it. And I love the way that it's at the front of all new technological development as well. The 5G internet or pilotless cars, robots in the streets, like they're being tested, they're being kind of implemented, and it's kind of fascinating. I think Shenzhen also has this balance between being technological and at the same time environmentally friendly, which is very important. You see a lot of parks, trees, green trees, like people sort rubbish here, people clean place, they keep it very, very nice and clean for themselves to live.